Hello. If I ask you a question, would you like to be successful in your life? What will be your answer? Obviously, your answer will be yes. So, in this video, what I'm going to share with you is certain ideas, certain behaviors that successful people demonstrate less of. So, I'm using the term less of. I'm not saying they are totally eliminated from their behavior, they are less of. And if you also start reducing these, if they are part of your behavior patterns right now, you will notice you have much more energy left to focus on those activities, those tasks which will take you towards your success. So let us make a beginning. First thing that successful people do less of is less of complaining. They know for sure that mere complaining is not going to help. If anything is going to help, that is an action. So they take a concrete action towards whatever issue is to be resolved. And whether that action has to be taken by themselves, so they take that action. And if that action is to be taken by someone else, they reach out to that person and influence that person towards taking an action. They don't stop at mere complaining. Second important thing they demonstrate is less of blaming. What do they do instead? Instead of blaming, which does not help in any way, we all know that, they take responsibility. They take responsibility for every action that they take, and at the same time, they also take responsibility for the consequences of those actions. Based on this cycle of action and consequences, they keep on taking decisions, keep on taking actions, and keep on moving ahead. So, less of blaming, more of taking responsibility. Third important thing is they do less of arguing. Who tends to argue? Mostly a person who tends to argue is a person who is a close-minded person. So that person wants to hold on to his or her idea, or a person is feeling very insecure inside and that comes out as an argument. Instead, these people tend to assert, they make their point of view with data, with statistics, with information rather than arguing. And at the same time, when I'm using that they make their point, they are also demonstrating being open-minded and they are ready to change their thought process based on the information received from others. Next important thing that they tend to demonstrate is less of bragging. Rather than bragging, they demonstrate humility in their behavior. Why so? Because they know by showing off, it's not going to help. By remaining humble, what happens is, how it helps them is, it helps in building connections. And one person that comes to my mind when I'm talking from the point of business world is Ratan Tata, how he demonstrates his humility in interacting with his people. Next important thing is they do much less of resenting. What does resentment means? You're holding on to past. Your past is influencing your present, and obviously it is affecting your emotional state, it is affecting your thought process, and obviously that has an impact on your decisions as well as actions. So rather than resentment, they practice forgiveness so that they do not remain hooked to the past and they want to move ahead. Next important thing they demonstrate is when conversations are going on, they do much less of interrupting. They have all the patience to listen to the other person. And after that person has completed, then they start presenting their ideas. And who is a person who tends to interrupt? Only a person who has not listened to and without listening wants to share something, that is a person who tends to interrupt others. So successful people don't interrupt. Next important thing is successful people do much less of taking. What do they do instead? They do much more of giving. They do much more of contributing. It is said that when it comes to types of people, there are givers and takers. It is said that takers may eat well, but givers always sleep well. There is a sense of satisfaction, there is a sense of fulfillment in their lives. And the last thought that I'm sharing is successful people do much less of judging. They are not the persons who want to label anyone because they know that they have their own limited perspective, and based on that, how can they judge anyone? Rather than judging, they tend to accept people as they are, and that is how they are able to build connections. So these are some thoughts that I have shared with you, which successful people demonstrate much less of in their day-to-day lives, ask yourself which one would you like to work on if that is a part of your current behavior, because it may be influencing your life a little negatively right now, and you can make a major change based on what I've shared with you. I'll keep on sharing more thoughts. Keep watching.